Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Well, we got a diamond painting. And we've got a cross stitch. This comes from DIYChoose. And I guess we'll start with the diamond painting. And let's see. And of course, it comes in one of these bags. I'm going to have to cut this. I tell you how much I hate these plastic bags. See if I can get a hold of it. Oh yeah, it came right out. Now this is a 45 by 70. It's called Winter Manor, and it was $13.59. And it does have a little bitty picture here. So I'll put a picture here. Alright, and that way you can see what it totally looks like. Gotta move my coffee. It's awfully dark. Now the picture did not look that dark at all. Let's see if I can just unravel it and move it up as we go. Yeah, it's awfully dark. And it is a round. Set the drills aside. Comes with 2 boats, 2 pins, and 2 pads of wax, which is nice. But I guess I thought this was going to be lighter. I guess, you know, it's a nighttime picture, and you got the lights from the houses, so yeah, I'm just not real hep about that, but it is fairly dark. And it's only got the numbers on one side. It has 20 colors. It has 310 black, 823, and that's it. I mean, it's mostly darks. I don't understand. Maybe it has a glow to it. I don't know, but the picture, as you can see from the picture, it looks a lot lighter than that. I know it's a little far away. Hang on, let me see if I can bring in. But it looks like it's whiter than it is. So, not sure. I'm not real hepped up on this at all, because I thought it was going to have more color to it. But I don't even know what they're using for a white. So, maybe it's a cream colored. What color is that? F. F. 262 is number 11. But these numbers, whoops, I'm sorry, I forgot. My bad. We're having a day. The colors right here do not reflect the colors of the diamonds. So, I'm not sure. So you've got grays. I'm not going to take it out. They're all individually bagged. And it does have the product number. It does not say the DMC number. That 3609 number is the product number, if you will. So there's no DMC number on these bags. But they're all nicely bagged, so that's good. But here's tans and browns, and then you got this pale green, and this cream here is as light as it gets in this stuff. So I'm not real sure. Don't know. Kind of disappointed, I guess. I thought it was going to be lighter. Let me see if I can even measure it. I doubt it, but we'll try. We'll give it the... I can't take the plastic off. We're just going to go with it. So. And I can't believe the what do you call it? The key over here is only on the upper right hand side. So it's 70 that way, give or take, by 45. Actual picture is 39.5 by 64.5, or about 25.5 inches. So yeah, and it does have training circles. That's what we used to call it in the diamond painting world. Let me show you here. Let's see if I can get it up there. But there's circles around each one of the numbers, except for the darks. That's only on the lights. And it looks a little bit confettied, like every fourth one is a different color. So I don't like this at all. It's just way too dark, you know, in comparison to the picture. So we'll see. I may do a corner of it just to see how light it does show up. But we'll see. It reminds me of one of the older hula cans where they only gave you the key at the top instead of the top and the bottom. They started doing that at a later time. So, I don't know. For me, that wouldn't have been worth 13, what would I say, $13.59? Yeah, $13.59. Now, the cross stitch was $7.79, and it's a 40 by 45. Or so it says. I guess it is bigger. Whoop. If I could figure out how to get in it, we'll open it. Maybe. And I just thought the picture was kind of cute. It's got this cute little girl, and there's some back stitching in it. She's looking up at the birds on this branch as she's picking her flowers. But there's a lot of background in this. But I think you only do the picture. So it's kind of like DIY cross stitches stab at a Joy Sunday. You know how most of theirs are like that, you know. You don't have much to do. You don't do the background. So, yeah. And it has a shiny pattern. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. I wouldn't have thought it was going to be this big. For some reason, I thought it was a smaller picture. But since you don't do the background, then, you know, you have less to work on. And it is an 11 count. I had to look at it. It has no 310, no 823, no 550 purple, no 666 red. It does have reds and oranges in it. And no 939, no 3871. Does have 3865. So, yeah, it'll be interesting. And it looks kind of confettied here and there. I have to look at the canvas. I can't judge from that picture. So let's take a look at the colors. And it's got some browns, and there's that pretty pink. It's like a pink purple or a pale fuchsia. And gold. Very little white. And it does have a product sticker here to match the canvases, and the paper pattern will match the canvas. So there's more golds. Some kind of pale green, and then an olive green, and then a neon yellow green. But yeah, so it's got more reds and oranges in it than I would have given it credit for. And very thin, I mean, very small amount of thread for an 11 count. So you know there's not too much stitching to be had. But yeah, there's confetti. It's a nice, well-printed picture. But it does not give you, it does have 2 needles before I stab myself here. Sorry. But there's no symbols down here for the back stitching, so I guess you just kind of got to guess. Because, yeah. And it has some big areas, you know, like on her face and on her legs. down here, but yeah. I think those birds are cute. So I guess you just have to wing it. Now, I've only seen one other DIY or even a no-name that had back stitching in it. But you're going to have to put that back stitching in it for it to give it any kind of definition. Which might not be as hard as it looks, you know. I just kind of have to see. But I just thought it was a sweet little picture. Let's see here. 40 by 50. 40 by 45. Jeez, I almost said 55. Okay. It is 17¼ inches, or 43, little over 43.5 by 39.5 or 15.5. Now the actual picture frame-ish thing here is 29.5 or 11.5 by excuse me, I can't talk. 13¼ or 33.5. So yeah, there's not much to it, not much stitching, and I'm glad it's in an 11 count. So, and the only confetti part I see is like her head and all that hair. So, you know, there's just here, there, and everywhere confetti. But at least you don't do the background, so this is considered a partial. But for, you know, what was it, $7.79, that's not bad at all. So, kind of a cute picture. Now, I looked at, you know, I was going through to make sure I didn't, like, double orders and stuff like that, and I did see that I had ordered this. Well, this picture is unavailable now. I don't know if it'll come back or not, but I don't know if I can even give you a link to it or not, or if it'll show up, but it's out of stock. It's no longer in my cart. So, just so you know. Now, DIY has cross-stitch diamond painting, beaded cross-stitch embroidery, and they do have paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of those. They have a separate Joy Sunday category. And if they have any specials, I will put that in there as well. They have free shipping on orders over $39. And another thing to consider is that it is Christmas, and a lot of people order like November through December for Christmas presents, that kind of thing. So they may just be low on stock because of it being Christmas. So do check them out. And I've usually had very good luck, you know, with them. I ordered this on the 1st of December, and I got it yesterday. So it was the 21st? No, 20th. Yesterday was the 20th. So, yeah. That's what, 20 days to where I live here in the United States. So, it's usually about 2 weeks for any company that I do a review for, which is really good, you know, unless there's something going on, you know, catastrophic. You know, it really doesn't take too long to get them. And I have no idea about other countries and how long it takes. You know, you're closer to China over there in Europe, you know what I mean? So, I don't know. Alright, guys. Thank you, DIYChoose, for sending me these beautiful looking products. And, like I said, I'm kind of on the fence about the diamond painting, but I will do like a section just to see what the colors, what the colors look like and that kind of thing. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.